Welcome to AI for Business, the podcast where we cover the latest AI news and AI tools that matter. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a milestone in AI-powered medicine as Isomorphic Labs prepares for human trials, how generative AI is becoming part of the online shopping experience during Amazon's Prime Day, and what a new Microsoft-Replit deal means for the future of business app development. We'll also share an AI tool that helps you understand your data without needing to code, and a prompt tip to help you get better results when generating AI images. Alphabet's Isomorphic Labs is getting close to starting human trials for cancer drugs that were designed entirely with the help of artificial intelligence. The company, built on the back of DeepMind's protein prediction research, has spent the last few years developing these drug candidates using AlphaFold 3, a system that predicts how proteins and molecules interact. This lets researchers model drug behavior long before testing in the lab, which could make early-phase discovery faster and more targeted. With $600 million in new funding and partnerships with major pharmaceutical companies, Isomorphic is not only focused on its internal research, but is also licensing its discoveries, which points to a more connected and AI-integrated approach across the pharma space. Their goal is to eventually build a system that can design treatments on demand. Right now, the team is focused on oncology, with plans to begin dosing humans soon. It could change how drug companies approach research, moving away from slow, trial-heavy testing toward faster, simulation-driven design. Meanwhile, Adobe's new forecast for this year's Prime Day shows just how quickly generative AI is working its way into e-commerce. Amazon's 4-day sale is expected to drive nearly $24 billion in online spending in the U.S., and while much of that will come from traditional channels like mobile apps and paid ads, Adobe estimates a huge increase in traffic from AI-powered sources. Compared to last year, AI-assisted shopping activity is expected to rise over 3,000%. While it's still a small share overall, the trend shows that people are using chatbots and AI assistants not just for product questions, but also to find deals, compare options, and make choices faster. Adobe's research also shows that people who use AI while shopping report a better experience, especially for more expensive or complex purchases. That could explain why companies like Google and OpenAI have started adding shopping features to their AI tools. Another big shift is happening in software creation, where Replit, known for letting users build apps using natural language prompts, has joined forces with Microsoft. This new partnership makes Replit available through Microsoft's Azure Marketplace and connects it to key services like virtual machines and a serverless version of Postgres. For Microsoft, this expands what Azure customers can do without having to bring in a full dev team. And for Replit, it opens the door to more enterprise-level usage. The move also gives non-developers more power, with the ability to build apps from scratch, using plain language, whether they're creating internal dashboards, lightweight tools, or prototypes. Today's AI tool to try is Julius. If you've ever wanted to get more from your spreadsheets or PDFs without writing code, Julius might be a good place to start. It's an AI data analyst that reads your files, like CSVs, Excel sheets, PDFs, or JSON, and lets you ask questions using plain language. Want a summary? A scatter plot? A statistical test? Just type the request, and Julius picks the right approach and shows you results in seconds. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about getting better results when creating AI images. Instead of writing short or vague prompts, try giving clear, detailed descriptions, the way you would if you were describing a photo you wanted someone to take. For example, saying, "A busy night market in Bangkok with neon signs, food stalls, and people walking" gives the AI more to work with than just "street market at night." If the tool allows extra controls, like sliders for style or lighting, use them to fine-tune your result. Tools like Dolly and Leonardo both respond better when the prompt paints a complete picture. The more context you include, the closer the result will be to what you had in mind. That wraps up this episode of AI for Business. If you want to stay current with AI news and AI tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. If you found today's episode helpful, send it to a friend or coworker who's exploring how to use AI in their workflow. And if you've got a minute, leave us a review. It helps more people discover the show. Thanks for listening. See you back here tomorrow.